So in this video, we are required to simply evaluate this particular exponential expression. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to look if they have the same base, and luckily they all have the same base. So all we just need to recall is one of the laws of indices that actually applies to this. So all we do is recall that if you have a raised to power x times a raised to power y times a raised to power z, to return a raised to power x plus y plus what, z. And this is only possible because they have the same base. So for this one now, we can write it. And before I proceed, this x basically has a power, and the power is 1. So we can write this as what, x raised to power what, n minus 2, right, plus 1, right, plus n plus 1. They have the same base, so you add the power. So this one will now turn to x raised to power, let's call it like times n plus n, that's n plus n, then minus 2 plus 1 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So this one will give us x raised to power n plus n, that is 2n, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0 plus 0. 2n plus 0 is still the same thing as x raised to power what, 2n. So the final answer to that particular problem is x raised to power 2n. I want to believe this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video. Thank you.